Hey there, what are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's start with some cards. The layer of the solution is seldom the layer of the problem. If you have a troublesome relationship, take a step back. Be patient, breathe. The solution may come from an unsuspecting place. You drown not by falling into a river, but by staying submerged in it. What are you ready to move on from? And what else do we need to hear? 42. I let go of fears that are stored in my soul. I hope you're letting go of your fears. "39. Crystalline light body. Build your crystalline Merkaba." Do you know what a Merkaba is? Maybe it's time to Google it and see what you find out. And our last card for today before moving on to our quotes. This one was quite jumpy. 28. Review your responsibilities. Not all responsibilities are ours to hold. That's a good reminder. Have you been seeing butterflies lately? And today's little quotes. The power of love unifies all. Your thoughts determine how you respond. Learn me, see me, hold space for all of me. What has been draining your energy lately? Investigate that. I am free to explore my heart's desires. I am free from the control of others. My life is full of possibilities. When you catch yourself thinking negativity, stop. Don't take yourself so seriously. Start being more loving towards yourself. Love you, or I love you through all of your emotional states. If you think it, you can do it. I want to feel good. I've been on a mission for the things money can't buy. All right, we're gonna put these all back in the box. We're gonna put it in a bag with the rock and go hide it somewhere in town. And let you know, I'll show you where we hide it.